How to fix keep dropping calls in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, reinsert SIM. First of all, you will need a SIM ejector tool. So put this tool in the SIM tray hole, and after that press it gently, and your SIM tray will come out. Now pull out the SIM tray. Now take out the SIM card from the SIM tray, and now reinsert SIM your phone. Again insert SIM on in SIM tray, and put out this tray from your phone. And after that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart, again click on restart your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset mobile network settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, mobile network settings will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, click on settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see install or update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix keeps dropping calls in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.